Oh my god. Okay, all of a sudden, it just got really friggin' dark outside. It is pouring. Alright, I'm gonna go to the front of the house. Sorry if the camera's shaking. This is insane. Okay, for the last 5 days, it's been raining. Just like this. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's a tornado, I think, or something. No, my car window's down. The camera got wet. Oh my god! This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. I've never seen it rain like this. It is pouring. I can't even see next door. Oh, I'm fucking speechless. I'm really trying to concentrate. Oh my god, it's coming down in walls. Oh my god. Look at this. The bees are all flying everywhere because they don't have anywhere to go. The street lights just came on and it's only 4 o'clock. Look at that tree bending over. I wish I could zoom in with this. Let me go get my better camera.